text me to say he has a surprise. So I'm down here waiting. God, I'm looking snatched in these jeans. Oh, he was stuck behind a tractor. That's why there was a delay. He wants me to come later. Yes, I have my phone ready for the reveal.
Look at an actual surprise now. It would have been embarrassing if it wasn't. So, as we know,
Christmas flowers.
We have no presents at the minute because we're going shopping.
Oh yeah, don't worry. I'm ready!
Oh my god, look at you. You look so beautiful. Do a little spin. Look at you, Rich. You look absolutely stunning. Oh my god, you look so nice.
So this is the final birthday look. So I'm wearing an ASOS skirt, a Reformation top, necklace which everyone always asks me about, it's from Parfois. Denim blazer was a secondhand find in Brussels, and then my boots are black leather boots from Reformation as well. And I'm ready! I'm actually so happy with how like my makeup and hair turned out. My bag is this denim Tommy Hilfiger bag, which I also got in a charity shop, and honestly I think it's one of my favourite pieces. So there's my outfit. I'm very excited. And actually, yeah, I'll bring you with me for dinner. So let's go. And also I'm shocked. I'm ready. I'm ready like in actual good time for once. So I'm just gonna put on some perfume, the Billie Eilish one, which I got for Root last Christmas. And then I figured out, well, she told me she hates it. So I took it. Now, let's go. Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. We're in Dublin because it's my birthday weekend and Owen is getting me birthday presents, basically. No. Birthday shopping done. I got new earrings. And look, Owen got a new nose.
A new nose, yeah, I got
He got filler.
I got nose implants.
Yeah. He got a new little nose ring, or nose stud. He slayed. And shout out to the girl in Astrid and Muju? I don't know. What? Hello vlog. I am back home, as you can see. I have another iced coffee and I'm about to get ready for the run club night out. It's currently 7:20. I'm meant to be there at 8. So it's going to be very quick getting ready. I'm wearing this stunning backless top. Honestly, anything backless is a slay in my opinion. Like if you don't know what to wear, throw a backless top or dress on and it just automatically is a slay, even if the front is like plain and you're just wearing jeans. So yeah, time to go get ready.
I'm ready for the run.
Oh, alright,
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you've been missing on a little slice of heaven. It's the only place we're living.
Like, where is she? I kept checking my phone. I can't, she's only 20 meters away. Oh my god, that's a follower. Is she, Smile for the vlog. Oh, thank you, Angela, for making my breakfast. And just look good. Not plate.
Yeah, and I never do that again.
What, get a plate?
Yeah.
She got up at 9:30.
I'm never doing it again.
Is this from you, Abigail?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Get your banner, Charlie, yeah.
Oh, thank you, Abigail. The card's so cute.
Oh, yeah, I forgot my card. Anyway.
Exciting. Oh,
Shut that again.
oh my god, Abigail, this is amazing. Thank you. Here's my pen. It's inside. There's something else, isn't it? Happy birthday. Or my birthday. Alright. Oh my god, Jordan College student circuit class today. Yeah, did you think that's going to tell one finger class? Oh, it's in wrap bag. Oh, Jordan, that's so nice. Thank you. You're welcome. I was really struggling, really. Mommy. Where's my birthday?
My birthday? That's the God.
Where's my birthday? Oh. Pretty hungry. I how does that not finish it? It's not of oil that she's sticking to it. Okay, sorry. Anyone sugar?
Alright, can you find me some little Starbucks? I don't really stop Starbucks.
What do you want? Thank you. What is that? You give me that? No, no, you got the other one.
No,
There's
I
a
did.
Belgian. What is it? It's a Belgian one. I've seen it.
It's
It's
a
a Belgian.
Oh,
This is for me. That's
There's no word in it.
It's cute. Very nice. Look at the top already have. Yeah, it is. It's the. Oh, it's a cat.
Red lad.
Oh, that's so cute. Where'd you get him? Belgian as well.
Yeah, we were going through the different sounds we spotted. My
It's
mommy
lo-
spotted it.
It's lovely. Thank you. I love all my presents. Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Abby. That was a great selection of presents.
Oh, I passed the bar, Abigail.
Just the same.
No, it's okay. Woo! Thank you so much, Abigail. Birthday dinner with my family. Jordan? I know it! Where's the cat? Where is he? Where is he? Come on, Wiener.
She's coming, she heard. Get me the mop, Jordan, and put the mop where the. Give me the mop. Like, see here.
We're not doing that now before we do this.
You're coming in the shop and beating her, going to get me.
No, to put our wind shoes.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you.
Hooray!
Woo! Woo! Alright. Yay! Slay, slay.
It's nice there.
Where's that?
I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you sing happy birthday?